Hi, this is Mike Wallach with TriMech. In my last video, I showed you how to convert a SOLIDWORKS assembly into a multi-body part using Save As and changing the file type from assembly to part. Now, this option has been available in SOLIDWORKS for a really long time. But in SOLIDWORKS 2024, they gave us a new command called Make Multibody Part. You can find it here on the Tools pull-down menu, or you can just search for Make, and there it should be around somewhere. There it is, Make Multibody Part. Needed one more letter. I have to pick my template. And now it starts creating the new part and brings up a property manager where we can select options. So first, if we have multiple configurations, we can choose which configuration to use. It's using the default configuration, which is all I've got for this one. We can choose what we want to transfer in addition to the solid bodies. If there were any surface bodies, axes, planes, coordinate systems, we could transfer those. Well, I do want to transfer material. And I want to propagate visual properties from the original. And by default, this box is unchecked. So we are going to maintain a parametric link to the original assembly. That way, any changes to the assembly will then ripple down into the dependent part file. But I'm going to break that link. I want my part file to be completely independent of the assembly, so we can use it alone as an assembly component without having to worry about any of the files it was created from. So now I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. And there's my new part. I'm going to go ahead and just save it. And we'll place it here as gas strut assembly.solid part. Now, we have a folder in the tree. You can expand that. See, it's just the solid bodies, so we could access the solid bodies either from here or up in their usual spot in the tree. And each one of those bodies has material assigned. Let's find one of those that has a different material. There we go. Nickel versus 1060. I hope you find that useful, and have a good day.